What's going on? This is Sep, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you this new AI agent video editor by Descript and how I'm using it to edit shorts and increase the quality of volume for creating videos. If you're a creator, if you're a consultant, coach, someone in this space, you know that your brand needs attention. But when it comes to creating any type of attention, it becomes very difficult hiring editors, training them, having the specific tools. It could take a lot of time, right? Adobe Premiere, subscriptions, Final Cut Pro, all these things. So what I've been doing in the last few weeks with the release of Descript's AI agent, I've been able to systemize some of the editing process so I can streamline it and do it very quickly. And in this video, I'm going to share with you an overall view of what that looks like. I'm going to go and I'm going to start off by creating a new project, right? I'm gonna go upload one of my videos. It's a vertical style video. So I'm basically using these scripts for shorts because it's actually pretty good at using an AI agent to cut out specific captions videos. You had to use apps like Opus Pro. There's several other apps out there that could automatically create shorts clips from your video instead of you going through the editor, cutting, chopping it up, exporting, putting captions, things of that nature. But the issue is those apps, they come with credits, and in most cases you have to pay to use them. So we're trying to eliminate that for now, which is the whole use case of this video. Right now the video is getting uploaded, it's getting transcribed. That allows the AI to read off of you. So what we're going to use, I'm going to use the underload section. This is called underload, right? And above that, there's another section, which is an AI agent. But in most cases, the underload section is the one we're going to use. So I'm going to let that finish. We're at 0%. And I'm going to share with you what the workflow looks like so we can achieve creating multiple shorts very quickly. Export it as well. I'm going to tell the AI agent to export it for me. So all I really have to do is pretty much maybe give it a title, drag and drop maybe to a publishing, another software if you have, and go from there. So this expedites the process, eliminates the need for me to have an editor on board, because let's say you're someone that has an editor maybe, or was worked with editors in the past. You know there's that time period, there's a gap, and unfortunately we don't want delays, right? So right now we can see it's done what we want. So I'm going to go to the underload section. I'm going to tell it, give it a prompt to give us some shorts. Now there's an AI section here that also does that for you as well. It's like, for example, create clips. So we can use that. Let's just click on that and give us a 30 seconds, submit that. Let's wait for the output and see how that looks like. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could go check them out right now. So it just gave me a really interesting one. There needs to be some custom editing. So what I figured out in this section is that you have to come here. You come here and you select a freeform. You got to click on it a couple times. It gets it to where you want it. Now you can put the size down, maybe 80, 85. And I think that's good. So that's it. That's for now. So I think if we can replicate this to our next videos, that should be good. So what we're looking at right now is another video, right? This is the next video. So we have how many? We have a few, all right? We have the first one, which was the main, the full, and then now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. So let's say you're someone that wants to generate 3, 4 a day. Right then and there, in a matter of 2 minutes, you've done that. So how long did that take? Just a few minutes. Is it perfect? It could be if you spend some time on it. For my use case, it's good enough, right? It's good enough because what we're trying to do is especially focus on volume and speed, right? So we have created multiple. We can go back here and we can again ask the agent to give us some more. We could probably export all those 5 just like that. Or we could go, can you create me 5 hyped up shorts from the main video? So it's analyzing the video right now. It's extracting what it thinks is good. It's extracting the hype stuff. Now it's creating what we want is 5 short clips ready to go so we can push it out there, right? We'll wait for that to process, but during the meantime, I can come back to my previous clips and I could export those 5 as well. And that's gonna export me, and then I can ship it there, right? So let's see what the exporting version looks like while we wait, and go check out the new shorts that the new AI gave us. Okay, opening hook, 27 seconds. Power rag agent, not too bad. Okay, so this is interesting. If you want to find the alpha, this one's for you. Okay, beautiful. So there we have it. Now we can see exactly what we want. We could tell, oh, we could find out the best scenes. So what else can we give it that be interesting? Find the most attention capturing or potentially viral moments of the main video and create clips out of it. Okay, let's see if that does it or if it gives us the same output. From what I see, obviously this video is more of an educational video. It may have some struggles with that, but we'll see. And that real quick, real simple workflow. If you want to increase the volume of your shorts, if you just want to increase volume, gain traction, if you want to get more value, increasing the volume of your content, I will utilize this AI tool so you could expedite the process and don't have to go back and forth. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful to you. Comment below next so we can create more interesting videos for you guys to help you increase your output for yourself, for your business, for your channel, and we'll go from there. All right, I'll see you on the next one.